students at the University of Utah who pledged their support for the change in policy today got a free turkey sub from Subway.
So we're supporting going cold turkey by offering
Yes,
a cold turkey,
turkey.
turkey sandwich. Fantastic.
Now, right now, the Subway is also sponsoring this initiative. They have donated 200 Subway sandwiches to anyone who pledges their support of the smoke-free campus. They'll be out here until 2 p.m. or until they run out of subs. Reporting live at the University of Utah, Lisa Nico, 2 News at noon.
All right, so Lisa, are they just turkey sandwiches? So you're quitting cold turkey?
Yeah, you got it. Yep.
I can't believe you'll be with me. I'm a victim of your smile. So foolishly, you set me free.
Well, and there are free sandwiches here, so the weather outside is frightful, but the Subway subs are delightful.
Delightful. Hey, look at that.
I know.
That's what I'm talking about.
I just thought of that.
Yeah.
I did.
Have
$7,300.
Sharon from Subway Restaurants is here. How are you? Thank you so much for being here with us.
Good morning.
And you guys are making the sandwich donations for people outside
We
still,
are.
correct?
Yep. Subway. That's one really great thing about the Subway brand.